9 Impressive Benefits of Cold Brew Coffee. 1. Hopefully boost your metabolism. Metabolism is the process by which your body uses food to create energy. The higher the level of your metabolism, the more calories you burn in rest. Just such as hot coffee, cold drinks. Coffee contains caffeine, which has been proven to increase your resting metabolic rate by 11%. Caffeine seems to increase the metabolic rate to increase how fast your body burns fat. Caffeine in coffee. Cold drinks can increase how many calories you burn at rest. This can make it easier to lose or maintain weight. 2. We wish to lift your mood. Caffeine in coffee. Cold drinks can enhance your state of mind. Caffeine consumption has been shown to improve mood, especially among individuals less sleep. A review of research on more than 370,000 people found that those who drank coffee had lower levels of depression. In fact, for every cup of coffee consumed per day, the risk of depression sank by 8%. Some research even suggests that caffeine can be used as a nutritional supplement to improve mood and brain function in older adults. In a study in 12 adults ages 63 to 74, taking 1.4 mg of caffeine per pound, 3 mg per kilogram, body weight improves mood by 17%. This amount of caffeine equivalent to about 2 cups of coffee for an average-sized person. Caffeine also increases their ability to react to an object moving towards them, shows that it increases focus and attention. Coffee. Drinking cold beverages can improve your mood, reduce the risk of depression, and improve brain function. 3. May lower the risk of heart disease. Cold drink coffee contains compounds that can reduce the risk of heart disease, including caffeine, phenolic compounds, magnesium, trigonelline, quinides, and lignans. This increase in insulin sensitivity, stabilize blood sugar, and low blood pressure. These drinks also contain chlorogenic acids, CGAs, and diterpenes, which acts as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Drink 3 to 5 cups of coffee, 15 to 25 ounces or 450 to 750 milliliters, every day can lower the risk of heart disease by 15% compared with those who drank no coffee. That said, people with high blood pressure, that is uncontrolled, should avoid drinking caffeine regularly, as this can further increase their level. Regular coffee. Drinking cold beverages can improve your heart health. However, caffeine should be limited or avoided if you have high blood pressure that is uncontrolled. 4. May lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic condition in which your blood sugar levels are too high. If left untreated, it can lead to many serious health complications. Cold drink coffee may reduce the risk of this disease. In fact, drinking at least 4 to 6 cups of coffee per day was associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Cold coffee drinks can also adjust the intestinal peptide, which is a hormone in your digestive system that controls and slows digestion, keeping your blood sugar stable. A review of 3 large studies of more than 1 million people found that those who increase their intake of coffee, they are more than 4 years at a risk 11% lower than type 2 diabetes, compared with the risk 17% higher in those who reduce their intake of coffee they prefer of 1 cup per day.